Can someone truly fall in love with us? Or do they only fall in love with the reflection of themselves they see in us? Love has fascinated philosophers, poets, and scientists for centuries. From Plato to modern psychology, the quest to understand how love blooms has never ceased. Is it a grand cosmic dance, a chemical reaction, or something in between? Here's the thing. Love is not a puzzle to be solved, but a journey to be experienced. And perhaps the answer lies not in making someone fall, but in becoming someone worth falling for. We see two souls meeting across a crowded room, their eyes locking. There's a soft smile, a spark of recognition, and then they start talking. Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, pondered on love as the search for our missing half, the soul's yearning to be complete. Imagine love as a cosmic dance. We all begin as one, whole and entire, but somehow separated. Now we wander the earth searching not for mere companionship, but for that missing piece of our soul, that other half of the same original whole. When we meet someone who awakens this feeling of wholeness within us, have we not found more than just a lover? Have we not found a part of ourselves we never knew we were missing? Modern psychology offers its own clues to this intricate puzzle. Arthur Aaron, a social psychologist, famously designed a set of 36 questions that could fast-track intimacy between strangers. Vulnerability, he discovered, is the key that unlocks the doors of deep connection. When we ask the right questions and let the other person in, we create a bridge that goes beyond the superficial waters of attraction. Nietzsche once said, "Invisible threads are the strongest ties." These questions are like threads connecting hearts and minds. They lead us to talk about dreams, values, fears, and what truly makes life meaningful. Through these conversations, we reveal the tapestry of our soul, showing the world the beauty that lies within. But here's the crucial point. It's not about trying to make someone fall for us. It's about letting them see, hear, and experience a part of ourselves that resonates with their deepest longings, with their own soul's melody. To make someone fall for us, some believe we must be deeply mysterious, almost enigmatic. After all, it's the unknown that often sparks the most curiosity. This is where philosophy steps in again. Love, as Kierkegaard taught us, thrives in paradox. We want closeness, yet we also crave a sense of mystery. It's the tension between these two, between what is known and what is unknown, that keeps love exciting and alive. But how do we keep that spark alive? How do we ensure that the person we're with sees us as someone worth getting to know better? Someone who continues to intrigue and fascinate? One way is by working on ourselves, by becoming the best version of ourselves, pursuing our passions, facing our fears, and growing as individuals. We naturally become more interesting and attractive to others. Another way is by being present. Not just physically present, but emotionally and mentally engaged in the moment. When we give someone our full, undivided attention, when we listen more than we speak, we make them feel seen, heard, and valued. So here are some practical tips rooted in deep thinking that can help you become someone who naturally attracts the right kind of love. Listen more than you speak. People fall for those who make them feel understood, not just those who can talk about themselves. Ask profound questions that touch the soul, not just small talk. Be vulnerable and open. People connect with authenticity, not perfection. Keep some mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself. Keep them guessing. Be reliable and consistent. Follow through on your promises. Trust is the foundation of love. Perhaps the Sufi mystic Rumi was right when he said, "What you seek is seeking you." Maybe love is not about chasing after someone or trying to convince them to love us. It's about becoming the kind of person that someone's soul naturally gravitates towards, the kind of love that just happens because we have become someone worth falling for. So the question is not how do I make someone fall for me? The real question is, can I become someone worth falling for? As we conclude, let's take a moment to reflect on these words. What does it mean to be someone worth falling for? What kind of person do you want to be? Start with yourself and the rest will follow. You are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more videos like this.